Meet Shone Black, owner of Black Forest Sawmill in Crymora, Virginia, where woodworking becomes pure art. Shone is known for crafting some of the world's most stunning walnut and maple slabs, blending them with custom epoxy designs that have earned him hundreds of thousands of followers online. We're proud to say that 100% of Shone's wood is dried using our Nile L200 series kiln. Take a look at what happens when precision drying meets creative mastery.
Shone Black, the owner of Black Forest Sawmill. We here have a display room and a shop where we provide wood retail, and all of our wood is locally sourced. We don't deal with any exotics. Pretty much what you find here in the Shenandoah Valley. We're located in Crymora, Virginia. Closest cities to us are Waynesboro to the south, Harrisonburg to the north. And we have a display room here of products for people that walk in, the smaller products, smaller tables, serving boards, wood turning items. And everything is sawn by us and dried by us. We have two Nile kilns, one in a 20-foot shipping container that was a bare container, and we insulated the container ourselves with foam board. And it is a 1995 model Nile kiln, the 200. And then in our big shipping container, we have the 200. And so we basically run those kilns 24/7. We've got it down where we can unload and load in just a couple hours. So our downtime is minimal on drying wood.
So how much of the wood that we're looking at is kiln dried?
100% of it. Everything we saw and dry that we have here is all kiln dried. We have a warehouse back here, a warehouse right across the parking lot, and then this main warehouse. Everything's kiln dried. What's in our main display area has all been flattened or planed. We do have rough sawn lumber in the back warehouse and slabs. Our sawmill site, we have everything that's air drying, which is north of here.
What kind of sawmills are you actually using to saw all this up? You're doing all the sawing yourself, so everything is you, nothing comes in bought?
Right, everything is us. We have LT40 Wood-Mizer, and we have a Lucas mill that we do pretty much all our slabbing with the Lucas. This is through a valley in Italy from the Mille Miglia race, which all the cars are from 1955 to 57.
This is real moss
Yes.
in here that you're putting to...
Real stones, just to kind of simulate the mountain valley that they drive through. It's pretty much a grassy, rocky, kind of like a diorama.
If somebody wants to order something custom, they can do that as well?
Yes, we have people that reach out to us through email or the website, give us their ideas, and we communicate with them on custom builds. And other people actually make the trip here to look and see and pick out the pieces of wood themselves to do their build with.
Nice.
And like I said, you can find our wood products on our website, blackforestsawmill.com. Black Forest Sawmill on Instagram, Facebook, and what we plan to do is do more with our YouTube channel, but Black Forest Sawmill on YouTube, and hopefully we'll do more here in the future.